Expanding efforts to enhance the national education system, a two-day operational planning workshop for the implementation of the Education Sector Plan 2023-2028 is expected to provide clear guidelines on the process of further transforming the education sector. Issuing the opening remarks, Chief Education Officer Beverly Diodoni highlighted the intended impact of implementation. St. Lucia's Education Sector Plan, she says, will ensure learning is undertaken within an environment which facilitates affordable, equitable, and quality experiences while promoting the development of skills and values suitable to the modern citizen.
Our education sector plan guides our national efforts for realizing a resilient education sector that embraces inclusion, agility, and innovation within a learning environment that shapes the learner into a self-driven, globally adaptable individual who contributes meaningfully to the development of self, community, and region.
Through the support of the World Bank through funding issued under the Global Partnership for Education System Capacity Grant, preparation of St. Lucia's Education Sector Plan was undertaken. The initiative brought together educators, administrators, and other stakeholders to collaboratively develop actionable strategies aligned with the national vision for education. Acting Permanent Secretary within the Ministry of Education, Kendall Kodra, emphasized the value of a comprehensive approach.
A lot of the support that we are getting now through the Global Partnership for Education is because we had a robust education sector development plan. St. Lucia was one of the fortunate member states of the OECS to harness or to be rewarded based on what we would have done. It is important that you are part of the planning process. So yes, you have been involved in the education sector analysis, and excellent ideas came out of it. We are you move one step further in terms of the development of the sector plan.
Regional consultant and former Chief Education Officer Marcus Edward stressed the need for continuously prioritizing implementation.
Operational plan, as its name suggests, operationalizes the sector plan. And that is what it is all about. Okay, how do we operationalize that plan to ensure that it does not remain as a document on the shelf with glossy photos and the like, but that the plan really guides the business, the direction, the activities of the ministry.
The Education Sector Plan is expected to harness modern tools and techniques to ensure St. Lucia is sufficiently prepared to overcome challenges of the future. From the Communications Unit of the Department of Education, Innovation and Vocational Training, I am Keba Taliam.